I am Dr. Ingrid Dunn. I'm an obstetrician gynecologist. I am Jamaican by birth and migrated here to Central Florida with my family. And I attended the University of Central Florida for my undergraduate, where I graduated summa cum laude. I chose the field of OB/GYN because it offers me the opportunity to develop a number of skills. Half of my day I can see patients, the other half I can be in surgery or performing some procedure. It's very satisfying when patients are able to benefit from my treatment and also feel better about themselves. That's the highlight of my day. At the end of the day, it's difficult to put my emotions in words, but I'll try. At the end of the day, I feel this satisfaction and this feeling of you're in the right place, you're doing the right thing, and it's very fulfilling, very satisfying feeling.